Today, I'm going to be talking about 5 ways to bring in passive income that you can start working on right now. If that's something you're interested in, then let's dive into the video. So, what the heck is passive income? Passive income is money that you earn in a way that requires little to no daily effort to maintain. Several passive income ideas may take a lot of work to get up and running, but eventually, once you can get to that point, you could literally be earning money while you sleep. So why passive income? Because first of all, who doesn't love the idea of making money while you sleep? I know I love that idea. That sounds amazing. But also creating a business structure that will eventually be making you money without you having to put work into it allows you to live your dream life. You get to go be with family, go travel, go do the things you want to do without worrying about your finances. Now, I want to address a common misconception when it comes to passive income. Not all forms of passive income are going to be quite as passive, meaning where you can do just a little tiny bit of work and then it sustain you for the rest of your life and you don't have to do any more work ever again. And if you've had this misconception, don't worry. It's not your fault. A lot of the gurus out there online use this idea of no work and all money to help sell their products, to help sell their stuff. And they've built this idea around passive income that you don't have to work and you can make 6 or 7 figures a year. A lot of passive incomes, though, in reality are going to take a lot of time, a lot of resources to start and build, and even some of them may require some maintenance throughout. But if you're here on this video, if you're looking for a get-rich-quick strategy, this is not the video for you. I would highly recommend you go and find another video to watch. But I'm here to show you guys how to build passive income long-term and passive income that is actually going to sustain you. Because if there's anyone teaching you a get-rich-quick passive income strategy, I'm sorry to tell you, it's just not going to do what you want it to do. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 5 types of passive income that you can start working on today. The first one on the list is affiliate marketing. Now, I've done a lot of videos on this channel talking about affiliate marketing, so feel free to go check those out. But affiliate marketing is a great way to start building that passive income because you do not have to build the product. And guess what? When you don't build the product, you don't have to deal with customer service. So you as an affiliate, you can go sign up for whatever company you want to be an affiliate for, get your custom link, and then work on getting that link in front of your dream customers. But you are just simply in charge of funneling people through to the actual product and you get a commission off of that sale. Again, if you want to learn how to become an amazing affiliate, someone who actually makes money through affiliate marketing, I will have videos linked down in the description below. But a huge tip that I'm going to leave for you guys on this video is to focus on recurring commissions. Focus on becoming an affiliate for products that have a monthly fee. Because if they do, you as an affiliate, instead of getting a one-time commission and then you're good, you have to go find someone else to buy the product. If you find someone on a recurring commission product, then once that person signs up through your link and they buy the product, you get a certain amount of that sale every month. And that is where you start to build on that passive income. Some of my favorite recurring commissions comes from ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is a funnel building software and people pay a monthly fee to be able to use that software. And so as an affiliate, if you promote that software and people buy it through your link, you're getting a monthly commission. And ClickFunnels, they treat their affiliates so well. Once you get to their tier 3, they're giving you 40% off of their monthly commission. The ClickFunnels basic plan is $97 a month. And so as an affiliate, if you're getting 40% of that every month, you're earning $38 for every month that person who's signed up through your link is still using the software. And if you get them to upgrade to the premium plan, which is $297 a month, as an affiliate, you're earning $118 a month for that person that you got on to sign one time, and then ClickFunnels does the work, creating the customer service, making sure the software is updated, all that good stuff, and you start earning that money, and that's where the beauty of passive income really starts to come into place. Number 2 on our list is create a YouTube channel. Now, building up that YouTube channel is going to take some work, it's going to take some consistency, but once you can hit YouTube's level to be monetized, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours as of the time of me making this video, once you can get monetized, you can now start earning money from all the videos you've made in the past by people paying to put ads on your videos. And that's one way you can make passive income, and essentially your YouTube videos are digital real estate. Once you make them and you can work on getting monetized, you can start making money off of all that past content. And I've seen several YouTubers who have videos that are a year old or 2 years old that is still making them consistent money every single month, and all they had to do was put in the work to make that one video one time. Third on our list is digital products. Digital products include things such as ebooks, PDFs, video courses, all those things. And what's so great about digital products is you don't have to worry about shipping. You don't have to worry about inventory or making sure customers get their packages in the right amount of time. You don't have to deal with any of that. It's all on your computer, and your customers can have access to it instantly, whether it's through email or downloading it right off of your site. And all you need to do is work on creating that digital product, creating the platform that you're going to use to sell it online, and then you simply need to work on getting traffic to that website or that place that you're using to sell your digital products. And once you've found the right hooks and the right content and the right messaging to grab your dream customers in, you can leave that website up and people will continuously go to that, buy your products, and you can be earning income consistently without you having to be working 24/7 on the products. The fourth on the list, and one of my absolute favorites, is sales funnels. And when you use sales funnels in your business, it's like hiring the best salesperson in the world to work for you 24/7, to grab the contact information from potential customers. And once that salesperson has captured that name and email address of a potential customer, it's like they grab the hand of the customer and walk them directly to the offer that they're interested in and other related offers. And that's what's so cool about sales funnels, is you can make more money per customer that comes through your sales funnels because you're making multiple related offers that increase or decrease in price but still makes you more money. And so once you get a funnel that has the right copy and the right design, that it really attracts the dream customers that you want to be working with, then you can leave that funnel on autopilot, work on simply driving traffic to that funnel and letting the funnel do all the work for you for selling. It's like a 24/7 selling machine, which is so cool and a great way to build passive income online. And fifth is sponsorships. If you're already working on creating content and you're focusing on becoming a content creator, once you get your following up to a decent amount, you can start collaborating with brands and getting paid to make content. So you're already going to make that post, you're already going to make that video before, but now you can get paid for it, and you can be making lots of money from making simple content on your phone, throwing up an Instagram story, making a quick post, and are able to bring in a lot of income with very little work once you've worked on building up that following and connecting with your audience. So to recap, the 5 ways you can start bringing in passive income into your life is affiliate marketing, starting a YouTube channel, digital products, sales funnels, and sponsorships. If there was anything that I missed that you feel should be on this list, feel free to let me know down in the comments below, and also feel free to post any questions down there. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you on the next video. Bye, dudes.